Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how I make jalebi. Jalebi is a sweet treat that can be used as a dessert, and it's a deep fried flour batter in a circular or a pretzel shape. Once you finish frying this jalebi, guys, immediately you have to soak it in a sugar syrup. So come right into the kitchen with me. Here in a pan over medium heat, I add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, a piece of spice, and this is for additional flavor. And you want to stir this mixture until the sugar dissolves. Once it comes to a good boil, not too thick, not too thin, I add some lemon extract in here. Then place it into your clean dish and set it aside. Once this is done, we'll start the flour batter. In a clean dish, I add 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and a few drops of lemon food coloring. I also add some ghee. You can melt the ghee before you place it into this mixture, but I'm going to use some warm water. You want to use warm water, bringing this mixture into a batter looking something like this. Keep mixing until it gets smooth. Once it looks like this, it is time for frying. So I have a piping bag that I place into a glass. This is going to allow me to place the mixture into the bag quite easily. So I'll cut the tip according to the size of the jalebi that I want to make. So guys, this is how you just do the circular motion, or like I said earlier, you can also do the pretzel shape. And once this is brown, you flip them over on one side and let them cook again on the other side. So immediately after you remove them from the oil, you're going to place them into the thick syrup. Turn them again. You want to do this for about 5 to 6 seconds, or as much as 10 seconds if you cater, just so that the sweet sugar syrup is going to hold on to the jalebi and it soaks in. Once you remove them from the syrup, you place them onto your serving dish. This jalebi can be used as a dessert, and this is what the jalebi looks like, guys. Sorry. This is such a simple and easy recipe, and it's more used occasionally when the Indians have their function. My mom is Indian, so she taught me to make this. I am so thankful to her that she has taught me something from the Indian culture. And if you like this recipe, kindly give it a thumbs up. And don't you forget to subscribe.